Monstera Burle Marx Flame, a stunning climber for plant enthusiasts. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the captivating Monstera Burle Marx Flame. This rare and visually striking plant has become a favorite amongst collectors, and for good reason. Its unique foliage and climbing nature make it a conversation starter in any home. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your indoor jungle journey, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for this beauty. What is the Monstera Burle Marx Flame? The Monstera Burle Marx Flame, also known as Monstera Burle Marx Flame, M. deliciosa Form 8, is a captivating variation of the popular Monstera deliciosa, Swiss cheese plant. It's believed to be a mutation or a specific variety of Monstera deliciosa var. Sirena. What sets it apart? Unlike its cousin, the Burle Marx Flame boasts deeply lobed leaves with narrow, pointed lobes. These lobes extend further towards the center, creating an almost flame-like appearance, hence the name. The overall foliage tends to be slimmer and more elongated, with minimal to no fenestrations, holes compared to the Swiss cheese plant. Is it rare? Yes, the Monstera Burle Marx Flame is considered a rare plant due to its limited propagation and higher demand. This translates to a typically higher price tag compared to other Monstera varieties. How to care for your Monstera Burle Marx Flame. Providing the right environment is key to keeping your Burle Marx Flame thriving. Here's a breakdown of its essential needs. Light. This beauty prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a major enemy, so ensure proper drainage. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity, around 50 to 60%, is ideal. Consider using a humidifier or grouping plants together to increase ambient humidity. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture containing perlite, orchid bark, or cocoa coir for optimal drainage and aeration. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable temperature range between 68 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid drastic temperature fluctuations. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Support. As a climber, your Monstera Burle Marx Flame will appreciate a moss pole or trellis to support its aerial roots and encourage upward growth. How to propagate your Monstera Burle Marx Flame. Propagation allows you to multiply your prized plant or share the joy with fellow plant enthusiasts. Here are two common methods for propagating your Monstera Burle Marx Flame. Stem cuttings. Choose a healthy stem with at least one node where the leaf meets the stem. Cut below the node at an angle and remove any lower leaves. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a pot with moist, well-draining soil. Provide warmth and humidity and keep the soil consistently slightly moist. Air layering. This method involves encouraging root growth on a stem while it's still attached to the mother plant. Make a small vertical cut on a mature stem, apply rooting hormone, and wrap the area with moist sphagnum moss. Secure the moss with plastic wrap and ensure it remains moist. Once roots develop, you can cut the stem below the new roots and pot it up. Remember, patience is key. Propagating Monstera Burle Marx Flame can take several weeks, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. What to plant with your Monstera Burle Marx Flame? Due to its climbing nature and preference for indirect light, the Monstera Burle Marx Flame pairs well with a variety of plants that share similar requirements. Here are some ideas. Low-light companions. Philodendron Birkin, ZZ plant, snake plant, Sansevieria. Vining plants. Pothose varieties, Epipremnum aureum, golden pothose. Philodendron micans, silver philodendron. Ferns. Bird's nest fern, Asplenium nidus. Maidenhair fern, Adiantum. By combining your Monstera Burle Marx Flame with complementary plants, you can create a lush and visually captivating indoor jungle. Final thoughts. The Monstera Burle Marx Flame is a captivating addition to any plant collection. With its unique foliage and climbing habit, It adds a touch of drama and intrigue to your indoor space.